Mario, once again, October 19, Sunday, 2025, resuming my daily videos. This is some additional work here on this project. This, by the way, is a revamp of an early helicopter that I did back in the late 70s, early 80s. That plywood frame one that I show in some other videos, some earlier videos. Check out those videos if you're not familiar with this particular project, the beginnings of this. But basically, I revamped, the wooden frame, the landing gear. I did this also in 3D printed form. The original one was aluminum, but tended to bend if the helicopter would land too hard. So this too, it could break if you land. Obviously, everything breaks, if you go beyond a certain point. But at least this has, some more flexibility. It's not going to bend, and you're going to have to rebend it. It's the aluminum one. The skids, I did two sets of skids because when I printed the skids, I actually printed two right or left skids. I forgot to mirror image these in the when I was slicing the parts, and so I actually printed two of the same. So I just redid this in mirror image, printed two of the same in opposite direction, and so now I have two sets of skids, that I can employ here. One is already installed, as you can see here, obviously. I also redid the head here because my head, this particular part, it had a boo-boo here. It had a mistake. And as you can see, this one has the hole there. That one does not have the hole there. So I redid that part. That part is, I just installed that part, and you can see how very nice and cool this is beginning to take shape here. There's the rotor head. The rotor head is working nicely with a mechanical flybar, as I typically like to do my helicopters. I really like, the flybars. There's another one behind. I talked about that other one in some other videos. These are the blades that I printed. I was actually able to get these blades printed diagonally on a larger footprint machine. It's not that large, but I was able to get this diagonally, and so I'm about to do the same thing for in black color, because my tail blades are black, and so I'm kind of mixing the colors here so that it has a little bit better aesthetic appeal to it. This is my swash plate. I redid my swash plate. My original one was a little bit too skinny for my liking and for the rest of the geometries here. Now it's more in proportion to the aesthetical appeal once again. And so this is my swash plate, very unique swash plate. And so I